Hello, my royal queens, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're talking about blazers, the must-have piece that adds a touch of rich mom fashion and old money style to your wardrobe. If you're looking for a way to look elegant and stunning with modern and classy vibes, you're in the right place. I'll share with you the best tips for choosing the perfect blazer for your body shape and how to style it to reflect the elegance of a modern woman. We'll also talk about the top blazer colors for 2025 and how to use them for a chic and classy look that works for any occasion. Watch the video till the end for extra tips on colors, fabrics, and how to style your blazer for both casual and classic looks. And remember our motto: you're a queen. Are you ready? Grab your favorite drink and let's dive into the world of elegance. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite blazer style? Top colors for winter 2025. This season, calm and sophisticated colors like beige, charcoal gray, and creamy tones are dominant, with rich colors like deep blue, olive green, and reddish brown making an appearance. Additionally, a touch of brick red and burgundy adds boldness and elegance. How to wear blazers in these colors? Classic old money look. Wear a beige blazer with matching pants and a white silk blouse. Add a luxurious leather bag and oversized sunglasses for a look inspired by classic fashion icons. Elegant winter look. Try a charcoal gray tweed blazer paired with wide black pants and classic heeled shoes. Add a cashmere scarf for warmth and a touch of luxury. Bold yet elegant look. Wear a brick red blazer with a black leather mini skirt and a high-neck black blouse. Complete the look with high leather boots and matching bags. Chic and classy tips. Focus on luxurious fabrics like cashmere, tweed, and real leather. Add simple accessories like small gold earrings or an elegant watch. Choose blazer cuts that keep their shape and reflect your elegance, such as blazers with defined shoulders or classic double-breasted styles. Perfect blazer colors based on skin tone. For fair skin, neutral shades like beige, cream, and light gray enhance your complexion. You can also try pastel shades such as light pink and sky blue for a soft, delicate look. For medium skin, earthy tones like light brown, golden beige, and deep red, auburn add warmth and beautifully complement your skin tone. For dark skin, bold colors such as fuchsia, navy blue, and burgundy highlight your features beautifully. Metallic shades like gold and silver add an elegant, sophisticated touch. Choosing the perfect blazer for your body shape. Pear-shaped body. Blazers with padded shoulders or decorative details at the top help balance your upper and lower body. Apple-shaped body. Opt for straight cut or slightly loose blazers at the waist to conceal the midsection and create a balanced look. Hourglass body shape. Most blazer styles suit this body type, but focusing on ones that accentuate the waist enhances your natural curves. Additional tips for choosing the right blazer. Fabric. For summer, choose blazers made of lightweight fabrics such as linen or cotton. For winter, opt for blazers made of tweed, wool, or velvet for warmth and elegance. Accessories. Add a personal touch with necklaces, scarves, or brooches. Long necklaces pair well with open blazers, while simple earrings suit formal looks. Occasions. For formal looks, choose classic blazers in neutral colors with structured cuts. For casual looks, vibrant colors or trendy patterns make for perfect casual blazers. Personal style. Always select a blazer that reflects your personal taste and makes you feel confident and comfortable, whether it's a classic or modern style. For example, if you have an apple-shaped body, a V-neck blazer is your perfect choice as it creates a visual effect that elongates the body and balances the upper and lower parts. For rectangular bodies, focus on blazers with a defined waist or belts to add soft curves to your figure. Outfit ideas with blazers. Classic work look. Pair a navy blazer with matching tailored trousers and a white shirt. Complete the look with a black leather bag and mid-heel pumps. Chic casual look. Try a checkered blazer with high-waisted jeans and a simple cotton t-shirt. Add sneakers and a small backpack for a relaxed vibe. Glamorous evening look. Wear a velvet blazer in black with a short leather skirt and high-heeled boots. Add statement earrings and a clutch for a luxurious finish. Always remember, a blazer is more than just a wardrobe piece. It's a statement of your personality and style. Choose it carefully to match your skin tone, body shape, and the occasion. Add your personal touch with accessories and enjoy a look that's full of confidence and elegance. And never forget the motto, you're a queen. Here we conclude our journey into the world of blazer fashion. I hope I've successfully covered everything you were looking for and answered all your questions about this topic. Don't hesitate to share your questions in the comments. I'm always here to respond with love and care. For more ideas and inspiration for styling your looks, I invite you to explore the channel. You'll find exclusive videos about coat colors, shirts, and the latest fashion trends. In the video description, you'll find carefully selected videos just for you. See you soon in an upcoming video. Love you all!